Welcome aboard Gypsea Dancer, a 1997 Hampton 43 Pilothouse Cutter, freshly refit, modernized, and surveyed in 2026 as like new and well above average for her age and class. As we take in her side profile, you can see the unmistakable line of the design, a traditional bow, a graceful canoe stern, and a hull built of solid fiberglass with an emerald finish for long-term durability. This yacht has undergone a comprehensive modernization. Nearly every major system has been replaced or upgraded. Engine, generator, rigging, sails, electrical systems, lithium power, electronics, and even the teak decks. What you're looking at is a classic offshore Pilothouse cutter, but equipped to the standards of a modern yacht. At the stern, the canoe-style transom flows into a custom aluminum boarding platform with a folding ladder for easy water access. The davits are robust and well-engineered, ideal for carrying a tender securely offshore. This yacht is designed for real cruising practicality. Stepping aboard on the starboard side, we move forward along the newly bonded teak decks, installed without mechanical fasteners for longevity and watertight integrity. The masthead cutter rig features anodized spars, new stainless standing rigging, and roller furlers on both the genoa and staysail. At the mast, the end boom furling system stands out as a major upgrade, allowing effortless mainsail handling. Continuing forward, the teak butterfly hatch adds a touch of classic craftsmanship, beautifully complementing the yacht's traditional Pilothouse styling. At the bow, the ground tackle is substantial. A Maxwell windlass and heavy-duty bow pulpit provide confidence for a wide range of anchoring. The bowsprit is a teak and stainless assembly supported by a solid stainless rod bobstay, another hallmark of Hampton's robust construction. Looking aft from the bow, we return to the mast area, where an electric halyard winch is mounted on the deck. Combined with the end boom furling system, this setup makes sail handling efficient and safe for short-handed cruising. Moving aft, the cockpit is deep and secure and well protected by stainless rails and a heavy-duty aluminum hardtop with canvas panels. This is a true offshore cockpit, safe, shaded, and comfortable. At the helm, a leather-wrapped wheel sits ahead of a large Garmin chart plotter. Additional Garmin instruments, autopilot controls, and bow thruster controls are all within easy reach. The yacht is equipped with 3 Garmin multifunction displays, 2 inside and 1 at the cockpit, along with radar, AIS, and a forward-facing all-weather camera that displays directly onto the helm screens. Heading below, the interior opens into a warm, beautifully crafted teak salon. The craftsmanship is exceptional, and the space is well lit by large Pilothouse windows. To port, a L-shaped settee surrounds a fixed dining table. To starboard, additional seating and storage create a comfortable living area. Forward in the pilothouse is the raised interior helm, one of the defining features of the Hampton 43. From here, visibility is excellent in all weather. The helm is equipped with dual Garmin chart plotters, radar, AIS, autopilot, and system controls. The forward-facing camera at the bow is a standout feature, providing real-time visibility directly ahead. Moving forward and down, the galley is to port, and to starboard is a comfortable sitting area with lockers above and below. The L-shaped galley workspace offers abundant counter area, a deep stainless sink, a stove, refrigerator, freezer, and excellent storage throughout. The layout is secure and efficient for cooking underway. Just forward is a forward head, equipped with a marine toilet, sink, large separate shower stall, and generous storage. On the port side, just ahead of the galley, is a built-in washer and dryer, an uncommon and highly desirable feature for extended cruising. Entering the forward cabin, you'll find a bright, spacious berth offset to starboard with excellent natural lighting. Storage is abundant with lockers on both sides and drawers beneath the berth. Moving aft from the salon, 2 steps down, we enter the private aft cabin. This stateroom features a large double berth to starboard and excellent storage throughout. To port is the aft head, equipped with sink, counter space, storage, and an electric marine toilet. This layout provides privacy and comfort for owners or guests. Back in the salon, the engine room is located beneath the raised pilothouse sole. The space is exceptionally clean and well laid out. The yacht is powered by a Beta Marine B85 turbo installed in 2019, producing 85 horsepower with approximately 25 hours of use. The Phaser 8 kilowatt generator was also installed in 2019 and has about 6 hours. The electrical system has been completely modernized with a Victron inverter charger, a Victron lithium house battery bank, Blue Sea AC/DC panels, digital monitoring, and professionally marine-grade wiring throughout. Gypsea Dancer is a rare opportunity to own a classic Pilothouse Cutter that has been modernized to exceptional standards. To schedule your personal showing of Gypsea Dancer, contact Little Yacht Sales.